In this video, we'll show you how to do the 2023 recap trend and create these viral videos for Instagram Reels and TikTok so you can share them with your friends or family members. 2023 is almost over, and these 2023 videos started popping up like crazy in the TikTok and Instagram Reels feed, and you can create one for absolutely free. You will need TikTok and CapCut applications for this. If you don't have CapCut, you can go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and simply download and install the app. It's absolutely free and it's available on both platforms. And the next step that we have to do is to make sure that we have the latest version of TikTok installed on our device. So if you have any pending updates for TikTok, just update the app and after that you can open it. Go over to your TikTok search and then you want to type 2023 recap. That is going to give us a bunch of different search results with videos that have this 2023 recap template applied over them. You can open any of the videos that have this template, which have this 2023 recap at the beginning of the video, and you can just tap on the CapCut Try This Template button. Then use Template in CapCut, and we will then wait a second or two until this template imports into our CapCut editing app. You will get a preview on how this template will look like, and you can tap on this Use Template option. That is going to open your photo gallery where you can select around 60 photos and videos that you want to use for your video. The first photo or video that you choose will last around 4 to 5 seconds, and that's going to be the cover for your video, so keep that in mind. When you select your media, tap on the preview button and CapCut is going to create your viral video. As you can see, here is my video, and if I'm happy with it, I can just tap on the export button and select if I want to save this video to my photo gallery or share it to TikTok directly. And that's how you can easily create this 2023 recap trend, and make sure to check out my TikTok Trends playlist in the description of the video if you want more similar videos like this one. Happy New Year, and I will see you soon.